Want to keep your Google Sites content for your eyes only or for a select few? Let's lock it down with a login page. By default, your Google Sites pages are accessible to anyone with a link, but what if you have content that needs an extra layer of privacy, like sensitive project updates, private membership areas, or even just a personal journal? Google Sites offers a straightforward way to create a restricted area for your content. Effectively building a login-protected page will achieve this not by creating a traditional login button, but by leveraging Google Sites' robust sharing and permissions model. First, identify the specific page or set of pages you want to make private. You'll need to treat these as your restricted content areas. Next, we'll adjust how these pages are accessed. Go to your Pages menu, right-click on the page you wish to restrict, and select Properties. In the Properties panel, you'll see options related to how this page is displayed. The key is to ensure this specific page is not set to be publicly viewable. You'll be controlling access through a different method. Now for the crucial part, managing who can see your entire site or specific sections. This is done through the main sharing settings of your Google Sites project. Click on the Share with Others button, usually found in the top right corner of your editor here. You can change the overall site access from public to restricted. When you set your site to restricted, only people you explicitly invite can access it. This is the core of our login system. Anyone without explicit permission will be prompted to request access, acting as a gatekeeper. To grant access, you'll enter the Google account email addresses of the individuals you want to allow. They will then be able to log in with their Google accounts and view your restricted content. Once published, any user who lands on your site will see a prompt for access. If they aren't logged into an authorized Google account, they'll need to be invited to gain entry, effectively creating your password-protected area. This method ensures only authorized users logged into their Google accounts can view your private pages. It's a powerful way to safeguard your content and control your audience on Google Sites.